Okay, so change of plans. I'm gonna go get a haircut, and I really need a haircut. But then right after that, I will try doing my nails. I know I said it a couple times already that I was gonna do it, but like I had no time to, and I was like so tired, just want to lay down, just want to relax. And I think that's why this trip is gonna be worth it all, because I just need a break so bad. But yeah, so I will go get my haircut. Work is over. Literally just got home and there's like no lights because we have what is it called? We have a blackout before I'm leaving. I'm so excited. I just got done with work. I'm just gonna eat and then I'm gonna go to sleep. Oh my goodness, it's finally it. I am leaving soon. Oh my gosh. And I'm so excited and I'm scared all at the same time because this is like my first flight by myself with a layover. The other one didn't count when I was in Florida. I'm sorry, I'm like walking around and around, but I'm so excited. So I think you guys already know, but on my first flight by myself, it wasn't really by myself because I was with other classmates and then we stopped together in a different airplane. But this time I'm going by myself. No classmates, no other people, so yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Dropping my mama first before we go. We're at the airport. We're here at the airport. I don't think I'm gonna take a lot of videos while I'm going to my layover and all that stuff.
Out of the 26, all confirmed passengers, please continue to the gate on all kinds of departures.
Okay, anyways, I said, I don't think I'm gonna be able to take videos while I'm trying to go on my layover, but, I will try because I'm kind of scared, but, we'll see what happens. Made it through customs. Now I'm just heading to my gate. See my friend. On my phone when I was on my second airplane.
give you a free ticket. It's free. Just walk away. Have a drink. Oh, man. Here on the right-hand side, you'll see a rotunda-shaped structure. You see stained glass. That's the dining hall. That begins the largest collection of Tiffany stained glass in the world.
Put inside history museum.
When you can turn those back on at the